Hey everyone. Okay, what I want to do next is sort of start building our Flappy Duck game and work our way back to when we might use uh, the ability for MakeCode in the computer to understand collisions and what to tell the computer to do when there's a collision. So we can get back to that idea. So I have a blank MakeCode project in front of me with a start block right here. You always get that, but there's nothing in it. And so I want to tell the computer first what to load right on the start. So I'm going to go up to sprites because I want to get my character. I want to get a scene, and I want that character to be able to flap its wings and stay in the air. So I'm going to go to this first block here, set my sprite. I'm going to put that there in the start. And instead of this gray block for a sprite, I want to choose. I could design my own here. You can definitely do that, and it's super fun. For the video, I'm going to go to gallery for now and just pick the duck. Hit done. Now you can see the duck. It's already chosen player, so it knows. And there it is in the preview. Awesome. How about the background, though? Go to scene. I could do a custom image. I'm going to just do color because it's the blue sky. That in. Click on the gray. Choose blue. Awesome. Okay, now the duck has to fall. Right, I want to simulate gravity. So I'm going to go back into Sprite, and there's all these physics buttons. And one of them is going to let me simulate gravity. I'll show you here. It says set my sprite X, but you can change that. Watch this. So if I put that in the start and I change this, I see a menu of options of movement. I want to use Y acceleration. Remember, in the coordinate grid, Y is up and down values. And with programming and game design, the only difference is that Y numbers get bigger as you go down. That's different from normal coordinates that you would know from math. So what I'm going to do when I go back to MakeCode is I'm going to choose any value, but it's going to be a positive value, which is going to make the duck fall down instead of up. There you go. Just fell right off the screen. Okay, now I want the A button to help me as the player keep the duck in the air. So I'm going to go up to controller, A button, when A button pressed. Now you can do any button, it's already on A, so that's good. Nothing is happening when A button's pressed, so you see the duck still falls. I'm going to go now back to sprite, and I want, every time that A button is pressed, I want to change the sprite's velocity so that the duck goes up. So I'm going to click on the drop down again. Here's Y velocity, up and down velocity. And I'll do a negative number, which will make the duck go up a little. But it will be fighting this acceleration down, so the player will have to keep pressing it. Like that. There we go.